Yes. So this is how the starting of the page will be like for the tool. And this is the project name Mufasa, and you have to click this folder to start working on the Punjabi transcription project. Once you receive, it looks like this, the UI, and you can start editing the task. So here you have to play the
ਹੋਰ
task
ਬੰਟੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੇ
audio, and again you can stop it. You can minimize the speed so that you can
ਬਸ
clearly
ਜੀ ਬਸ
listen.
ਠੀਕ ਹੈ
Like this, you can increase the speed also, you can reduce the speed also. And here is the task details you will get. If you click this eye icon, you will get the job ID. Job ID is the proof of work that you're doing. So always keep the job ID for your reference. Okay. So this is all it is. Now coming to the transcription part, these are the segments. You have to create the segments for each individual audios. Like each, for example, here is the speaker 1 speaking. It will be speaker 0. Here you can add the speakers. From here you can change the speaker details here. Okay. So here this tool timestamp is not correct, right? So you have to start the timestamp whenever the speaker starts the conversation, and you have to minimize the segment whenever the speaker ends the conversation.
ਹੋਰ ਬੰਟੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੇ
That is what been translated here. Here also you have to adjust it accordingly. Can you see all or like loose loops segments? You have to adjust it. Okay.
ਹੋਰ ਬੰਟੀ ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਤੇਰੇ ਬਸ ਜੀ ਬਸ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਹੋਰ ਸੁਣਾਓ ਕਿੱਦਾਂ ਘਰ ਪਰਿਵਾਰ ਸਭ ਕੁਝ ਸਭ ਵਧੀਆ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਦੱਸੋ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਹਾਂ ਠੀਕ ਹੈ ਜਿਵੇਂ ਯਾਰ ਸਾਡੇ ਟਾਈਮ 'ਚ ਨਾ ਮੋਰਨੀ ਪੱਗ ਦਾ ਬਹੁਤ ਕ੍ਰੇਜ਼ ਹੁੰਦਾ
See here you can see, right? These all the mistakes. It has to be in small letter. Only the proper noun should be in capital letter. And you can also check the Google which if school name is proper noun or college is proper noun, photo is proper noun or not, you can add it. Here if they are mentioning 2007 to 2008, they have to give hyphens between each word like this. Okay. This is how they have to write. Okay, here they can adjust the segments. For example, here if there is no segments, over here. If you want to create a new one, you can create new segment like this. If you click go, keep the arrow mark here, so the purple line will appear. If you want to create a segment here, after clicking here, you have to click new segment. It will automatically create. Okay. From here, if you go to this corner, you can adjust it. You can expand it or you can decrease the timestamp. Okay.
Ma'am, is there any particular rule for segmentation? Like if one speaker speaks
there are no rules.
Will it be any small break? So how can we like?
So you can divide the segments whenever there is a long pause between the conversation, which should be more evident. If you see here, there's a long pause the speaker has taken, it is more evident. But in the middle also, there are so many long pauses, if you see. If you create by mistake, you can delete the segment. Just cross check and check. If you want, you can adjust the segments like this. And there are long gaps, right? You have to create a new segment here.
Sure.
Okay. Whenever you create a segment, you have to click in the right spot and you have to select it. And then you have to adjust it. Only you can, here if you see, if I click here, here there is a very small gap, right? Very small pause. So for this, you don't need to create in two segments. You can continue it like this through here. If it is the same speaker, if it is a different speaker, then you have to divide it. Even if for the small pause, you have to divide it. If it is a different speaker, the same speaker, you can use the same thing. For completing, you have to submit this task. Okay. Okay. The task will not allow you if you are having some timestamp where you haven't annotated anything. Okay. are you clear with the segments, how to divide the segments, how to write the transcription?
Yes, ma'am.
Automatically it will get saved. If you're going for a break, then you can exit the task, so it will save and exit.
Okay.
And again, if you come back, you will receive the same task.
Oh, okay, okay, ma'am.
Okay, whatever the correction that we have made, it will be the same. You don't need to rework again and again.
Sure, ma'am.
Okay.
Sure.
Any other questions? This is all it is. I just want to mention this. Here you can see add tags, right?
Okay.
Someone is laughing in the conversation, you can use laughter. If they are using in the middle of the conversation also, here you can mention, click here, laughter. If you click, it will automatically appear here. So use these tags appropriate places, wherever they are laughing, wherever they are coughing. And there is a word called vocalization, wherever the conversation, inside the conversation or starting of the conversation, if the speaker is vocalizing the conversation, like ha ha and all, you can use vocalization.
Okay.
Okay. Any other doubts?